In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Salesforce dashboard to your homepage. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to customize your workspace in Salesforce's Lightning experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your favorite dashboard right where you need it every time you log in. Let's begin with accessing our homepage. When you first navigate to Salesforce, you're already in Lightning, so go ahead and take a look around if you're unfamiliar. The home page is your starting point for adding a dashboard, so make sure you're there before moving on to the next steps. Next, turn your attention to the App Launcher, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. This tool helps you search and open apps quickly. Click on it, and from there, you'll be heading back to the home page by selecting it, ensuring you're exactly where you need to be to add that new component. Now, you'll want to focus on the top right part of the page where you'll notice the Setup Gear icon. This is your gateway to customization in Salesforce. Click on it and you'll see an option that says Edit Page. This selection is crucial because it allows you to modify the layout of the home page and add components like a dashboard. Once you're in the page editor, take a look at the left panel. Here you'll find a selection of standard components. These components are the building blocks of your page layout. You're looking specifically for the dashboard component, which you can easily spot in the list provided. Now comes the fun part, dragging and dropping. Simply take the dashboard component and drag it onto the home page layout. You can place it wherever it makes the most sense for your workflow. Typically, users prefer having it in a prominent location for quick access, but feel free to experiment with what feels right for you. Once the dashboard component is in place, glance over to the right-hand panel for configuration options. Here you can fine-tune your dashboard settings to make sure it's displaying the information you find most valuable. Take your time to explore these options and set them to fit your needs. With your dashboard set up just the way you want it, it's time to save your changes. A simple click of the Save button ensures all your hard work doesn't go to waste, so don't forget this critical step. Finally, once you're confident everything is arranged perfectly, it's time for the last step. Click on Activate to make your dashboard live on your home page. This final action ensures that every time you access your Salesforce account, your dashboard will be right there, ready to provide insights and streamline your processes. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've effectively personalized your Salesforce experience by adding a dashboard to your home page. With this setup, you'll have quick access to the data that matters most, right at your fingertips.